Alright, this is the weekly check of the urban worm bag and blue worms. Let's see how they did here this week. Okay. So it's a little dry on the edges, but underneath it's very moist. Okay, where are you guys? You know, there's not a lot of worms in here as compared to the hungry bin or the urban worm bag. I mean, this is the urban worm bag, the vermi bag. So I'm kind of waiting for these guys to increase in numbers. But as you can see, there's some throughout the bedding. Alright, guys. See how they move. Okay. Let's see. Looks like they've gone through here, however, it's not super worked over. Can't remember. Oh, that's right. I did give them a ton of, well, here's some apple. Now, there weren't any worms in it, but there are worms around it. So, with the apple breaking down, they should be in it, actually in it, by next week. So yeah, I remember now that's what I fed were some apples and corn cobs. Mainly because I was trying to get rid of all my corn cobs, so it'll be a while for them to break that down, but they will. Just got to keep this moist, which this is here. I think today, what will I do today? Because I normally don't determine what to do with them until after I see how they're doing. There's a lot of bedding in here for them to break down still. Their numbers are small and they're doing great for their numbers. Let's see what we have down here. So it is breaking down more in the center here. Oh yeah. I will give them, I think I'll give them a couple more apples. Because it will, like I said, it takes a couple weeks for it to break down. And I don't think I'll give them any more bedding today, so let me push this aside a little bit so I can put the food in the center and cover it with their bedding. See, I don't have that much here today. Let me see here. Let me put down some. This is eggshell. And they do have some avocado. avocado pit. Some more apples. Another avocado pit. Just about all I have here to feed them is stuff that'll break down, except for the orange peels. Alright, so that's it for them this week. And some worm chow. Silly me. Cover it up with their current bedding. Some coral calcium. I'm going to put a little bit of water on here. And then we'll be good to go. Not that it isn't moist already, but they'll be fine. Okay, we're good to go on this. Good for another week. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.